All right, so here's the bike that I built for the Sam Houston Tour Bikepacking Adventure. I've got Raleigh 29er frame, single speed, eccentric bottom bracket. I'm running a 3619. It's okay, it did the job. I've got Surly Krampus fork up front. I'm running some Bontrager XR2s. Yeah, some XR2 comps. They're 2.2 inch, I believe. Indeed. Got some Bontrager frame bags. I got a good discount on the Bontrager stuff, so I went for it. Got my sleeping stuff up front. Snacks and snack trash. And immediate stuff up there. I got heavier stuff in there. And then I've got some clothes, my tent, and camp pad in there. Flat kit. I got a tube in here, but I got flat kit and tools and stuff in there. 3 water bottles. Those dirt caps came in clutch. Nice getting the gravel out of my teeth. But yeah, I got my Flare RT light back here. I got it bread tied on just for safety. Been using the Wahoo Element bolt for this trip. It's been fantastic. Battery life is incredible. Running it all day, doing 30-35 miles of riding and chilling, and yeah, it stays on the whole day. Then I got my GoPro. I got a pretty cool little bendy tripod, and I have that set up. It's pretty solid. I have that set up for doing riding shots, and then it also allows me to set it up. I can like clamp it to stuff, put it on the ground, so that's been real nice for getting footage. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed.